How to search for people on Venmo. There are many reasons why you might want to search for people on Venmo. For example, you might want to send the money to a person who is already on a contact list, or you want to send money to a stranger, so you need to have their name, email, or their Venmo user ID, right? Now, in order to search for someone on Venmo, just go ahead and then launch the Venmo app and just make sure that you're signed into your account. As long as you're signed in, at the very top of the screen, you'll find a search bar. All you have to do is just tap on the search bar, and now you can see all of the people that you frequently send money to. You can also sync your contacts if it asks you for a permission to allow the contacts to be synced from your phone, and then it will show the people if they have Venmo accordingly. Or you can search for the username, or you can also invite someone to Venmo, and this way you'll be able to search for people on Venmo. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.